The biggest mistake that people make when they're doing at-home workouts or training without the use of gym equipment is going to be revealed in this video. I'm telling you right now, we have looked at fitness professionals from all over the world and almost everybody is making this mistake. Don't do it yourself.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
The biggest mistake that we see people making when they're training at home or without gym equipment is that they throw rhyme and reason out the window and just put together workouts that are designed to entertain. It doesn't have to be that way. You don't do that in the gym, so why would you do it at home? Well, the reason why is because people that are writing at-home workout programs, they don't understand how to use calisthenics and how to apply programming principles when you don't have access to any gym equipment. And so what ends up happening is that they put together workouts that are really just designed to entertain. It's just like, it's different to what somebody else is doing, or it's different to the workout that they posted yesterday. And in all honesty, if you train like that, you're not going to get great results. There's a reason why people follow periodization, follow proper program design, structured workouts. It's because it delivers better results. So why wouldn't you do that when you're training at home? Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we balance strength, flexibility and fitness in every workout so we can turn driven people into athletes. If you want to know how we do that, there's 3 ways that you can get connected with us in the description of this video. You can download one of our free blueprints, the strength blueprint, flexibility blueprint, nutrition blueprint. We even have an at-home workout blueprint. They're all free. Just click the link in the description down of this video. And if you want to grab one of our programs, a flexibility program, strength program, calisthenics, weightlifting, we've got a whole bunch of different standalone programs. There's a link in the description where you can look at our library. And if you're a high achiever and you want to get online coaching where you can learn our Unified Movement System, Monday to Saturday training as little as 2 days a week as up to 6 days a week, balancing strength, flexibility and fitness into 1-hour workouts where you have follow-along workouts with me, so you just press play and join in with me. New program every 4 weeks and online coaching from us via weekly coaching calls. Then you can get a free 30-day trial plus a sweet deal after that if you decide to stay for being a YouTube follower. Click the link in the description of this video and let's get started. Writing programs, and especially if you're a fitness professional and you've been writing programs for 10 years and you've been using gym equipment, you've been using machines at gyms and weights, free weights, whatever, and all of a sudden you've got none of that and you have to try to come up with programs, it makes sense that people would struggle with that. And that's what we've seen, through these lockdowns around the world, is that the programs or the workouts that, fitness professionals that are putting together, they're rubbish. They're all about entertainment. And you look at these people and they're posting a different thing every single day it's just throwing a bunch of other random exercises together. And I'm telling you now, if you're going to follow that for several weeks or months, it is not going to deliver the results that you think it will. I guarantee you the people with the chiseled physiques and the amazing bodies, that's not how they train. When you train to get the results that most people want, of course there's outliers, of course there's people that might do it differently, but for the most part, and what the good research says and the way that coaches for professional athletes and what we do at Unity Gym here, the way we do it is we use programming principles. So we use periodization, for example. We use progressive overload to achieve adaptation in the body. There's all different elements to this, but it boils down to, just because you're training at home without gym equipment, you shouldn't be getting rid of this stuff. You should still be following the same programming principles that work in a gym when you have gym equipment. If you want to know more about that, this is video 10 out of a 10-part video series where we talk about the best ways to get great results training at home without gym equipment. Make sure you watch all the videos here. But in a nutshell, you still need to follow a program split. You need a Monday to Friday program split where you're giving muscle groups 72 hours, 48 to 72 hours recovery time before hitting them again. Less than that and you run the risk of injury. You still need to be periodizing. You still need to be doing 4-week programming cycles where you change variables every 4 weeks, so you're not just doing the same thing over and over again, or even worse, just doing something random and different every single day. There's all these things that you need to stick to. If you get it right, We actually get better results with people training with no gym equipment than what a lot of people are getting in the gym. So if you get this right, you can get even better results than what your friends are getting in the gym. Make sure you check out the other videos in this series. If you've got any questions about it or any feedback, any experiences that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments and we'll connect with you that way. And we'll see you in our next video. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.